Materials we used are 1 color paper, 4 circles of 2 cm diameter, 3 matchboxes, 1 glue stick and scissor. Let's start. First, we have to take one matchbox and put the glue on all sides. Now we have to stick it on the color paper. After sticking a matchbox, we have to cut the extra part on the paper. Now stick the extra paper again around the matchbox. Now do the same thing for other 2 matchboxes. Now we have to take all the white part out. Now we have to connect the 2 boxes in one white tray. Now stick the other box on top of this in the middle. Then stick all the 4 wheels. Now the car is ready. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Kuttiyada Churitanam.